Which is better, LED or LCD? Welcome to this presentation on LED versus LCD monitors. We'll explore the key differences between the two display technologies and see which one offers better performance overall. Introduction. Both LED and LCD monitors are widely used today. While they share some similarities, they differ in terms of picture quality, contrast, energy efficiency, and cost. In this presentation, we'll break down these differences clearly. LCD monitors. LCD, or liquid crystal display, monitors use liquid crystals to control light. They offer good image quality for everyday use, but one limitation is their difficulty in producing true blacks. Older models also rely on CCFL backlighting, which is bulkier and less efficient. LED monitors. LED monitors are actually a type of LCD, but they use LED backlighting instead of CCFL. This makes them more efficient, slimmer in design, and capable of producing deeper blacks and better contrast ratios. As a result, picture quality is significantly enhanced compared to traditional LCDs. LED versus LCD comparison. Here is a quick comparison. When it comes to picture quality, contrast, and black levels, LED clearly outperforms LCD. LED displays are also more energy efficient and thinner, making them modern and stylish. However, LCD monitors are generally more budget-friendly and still provide decent image quality, making them a good option for cost-conscious buyers. Conclusion. In conclusion, LED monitors, particularly those with full-array backlighting, provide superior overall performance. They offer better contrast, true blacks, and energy savings. That said, LCD monitors remain a good option for basic use at a lower cost. The choice ultimately depends on your needs, premium picture quality or affordability.